video, I will show you how to withdraw and deposit for both stocks and cryptocurrency to do internal transfer. If you are new to this channel, I am Ade from Trove, and on this channel I make tutorial videos on trading and investing apps. I teach trading strategies, make market analysis videos on both stocks and cryptocurrencies, and also not leaving out the NFTs. All this to help you gradually grow and make consistent income. If all this sounds interesting to you, hit the like button. So after that, click on stock wallet and click on deposit. Here it's going to take us to a page you are going to use to deposit, and for the sake of this tutorial I'll be depositing 10,000 naira. So please take note of the filter wave fee, the USD rate and the Passfolio fee. After that, you click on continue. The next thing to do is to copy the bank account. So I'll click on copy right here. Then I'll proceed to continue. So I'll go to my own bank account and deposit money into that bank address. So let me do that right away. I'll be back. Also, please note that the account in which you want to use to deposit money into your investing account, which is Passfolio here, must bear your name. If you use your parent or your sibling's account, it will not reflect. So I have transferred the money into Passfolio, and here I can either click on upload receipt or just skip. So I'll click on skip. The money I deposited hasn't reflected yet, but it will reflect within the next 10 minutes to 30 minutes or probably the next day. Alright, but here if you click on in transit down here, you will see that the money is actually coming into my account, but does not just reflect. So guys, you can see the money has reflected, which is equivalent to $16. Now, when you click on the stock wallet, you can see that we just deposited. Now, we will talk about withdrawal next time. Now, let's try to move funds from our stock account to our crypto account. So I'll click on move funds. Now I want to move from which account, stock account, to which account, to crypto account. So how much? Then I'll click on continue. So how much do I want to move? In this case, $5 because we deposited $16. So I'll click on submit. Then I'll click on confirm. So you can see it can take 1 or 2 business days for it to complete. I'll click on OK. We move $5 twice, and you can see our new balance, which is $6. So you can see it here under transit. You can see we tried to move $5 twice, and this was the amount we deposited the last time. If you go to completed, you will see your transactions that have been completed. Now the next thing to do now is go to crypto wallet, and let's try to deposit the same way we did for stock wallet. Click on deposit. I like to deposit in Litecoin because of the lower charges, so I'm going to go down to Litecoin, or you can use the search icon up there. I'll click on Lit. So I will copy the address here. You can see this is Litecoin. I'll copy the address here. Please note what is written above. Use the QR code or copy the following address to deposit LTC into your Passfolio account. Do not use alternative network such as Binance Smart Chain and others. So now that you've understood this, it's just telling you to use our Litecoin network. Then I will move to my other exchange where I have Litecoin. Now you can see my other exchange, I have Litecoin here. I'll click on Litecoin, and if you don't have Litecoin, you can buy from the market, from the spot market. Then I'll click on withdrawal here. I'll click on send via crypto network. So I will long press this to paste the address. Now you can see that the network came here automatically, which is Litecoin. But currently, Binance is actually doing a maintenance on Litecoin wallet, so I won't be able to transfer this. But I will come back later and do the transfer. Then I will input the amount I want to send. Now we are going to transfer 0.019. Now you can see we are going to receive 0.018. Now if all this information is correct, I'll click on transfer. I'll confirm my information. I'll click on transfer. Please note that this process is not irreversible. Any mistake will lead to the loss of your cryptocurrencies. Now I will verify the transaction. After which I will click on submit. Some minutes for this to reflect. You will receive a confirmation mail from Binance and also from the broker you send the money to. So guys, what you are seeing right now is different from what you saw in the other screen. So let me quickly explain this so that it won't be as if I'm messing with your mind. I recorded this video on different days, so my stock balance and crypto balance is bound to vary. To conclude this fund transfer, I will send money from crypto wallet to stock wallet. So I want to move from, I'll click on crypto, then I'll click on to, and I'll click on stock. So then I'll click on continue. Now input how much do I want to move. Let me say in this case I want to move like $50. I'll just type the $50 here based on my experience. But if you do it at the early hours when the market is open, it can take just few hours for it to reflect on that same day. So I'll click on submit and click on confirm. So you can see again, transfer within wallet can take 1 or 2 business days. I'll click on OK. Successfully created transfer. We'll go back. After that, you can come back below here. You will see completed and transit. You can see that we've moved $50. You can see that the amount has reflected immediately within few minutes. I did this less than 5 minutes to withdraw. You cannot withdraw in cryptocurrencies, and this is due to security reasons. Now, if you have any coin that you've sold and you want to withdraw your money, the only thing you can do is after selling the coin and the money is in your crypto wallet in dollar value, then you have to move the money from your crypto wallet to your stock wallet using the move fund. So, and I've shown you that before. So after moving your fund to stock wallet, then you now go to your stock wallet, then click on withdrawal. Now you are going to have a saved account already, and you can have as many accounts that you want to withdraw in, but make sure the account bears your name. I will select the account I want to withdraw in. So check this. For withdrawal, there are charges. There is filter with charges, which is 55 naira, and there is also Passfolio charges, which is 0.5%. Alright, I'm going to input the amount I'm going to withdraw here. The minimum withdrawal is $1, so I can withdraw $5. And this withdrawal is going to be at loss because I'm withdrawing lesser than the amount I deposited in. So after that, this is the naira equivalent of $5 as at now. So I'll click on submit. I'll click on confirm. And you can see successfully created withdrawal. When you go back to wallet, you will see in transit that you've made a withdrawal of $5. So you will get a notification that you've made this withdrawal, and basically that's how to withdraw from your account. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have made it this far, please hit the like button. This helps to push this video more and compensate me for my effort for making this video. Please hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my content whenever I upload new video. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel where we talk about stocks and cryptocurrencies. There will be a link in the description. Thank you and I will see you in the next video.